Meet the Lorex P2 pan-tilt zoom camera. Compact in size, packed with AI, and built for professional-grade security. With stunning real-time 2K resolution and 4x optical zoom, this zoom-in capability enables capturing finer details without sacrificing image quality. Let Lorex's AI-powered smart video analytics do the busy work for you. Parking area monitoring detects when a vehicle stops or parks too long in a designated area. Crowd monitoring lets you define a zone and watch for unusual crowd activity. Loitering detection helps identify when someone hangs around too long in sensitive areas. And with advanced exposure modes like wide dynamic range and backlight compensation, Lorex cameras adapt to tricky lighting, ensuring you get the clearest image day or night. With flexible installation, its 355-degree pan and 90-degree tilt ensure full coverage, making it easy to track movement across large spaces without blind spots. Experience round-the-clock security with color night vision. Ideal for retail stores, warehouses, and parking lots, this camera combines precision and reliability to meet the demands of professional security. Built to last, the IP66 weatherproof rating ensures reliable performance indoors and outdoors, rain or shine. It is also rated IK08, making it vandal-proof. Visit pro.lorex.com or contact us at sales@lorex.com to take your security to the next level. Lorex for Business. See why we are trusted by professionals for reliable security solutions.